Which ocean vehicle can go deep, deep under the water? Is it the boat, the ship, or the submarine? Let's find out together. Look at the bright red boat. It floats on top of the water and goes vroom vroom. Boats are great for short trips and can carry people, pets, or toys across the water. Now, meet the big blue ship. Ships are much bigger than boats. They can carry lots of people, cars, and even big boxes full of toys from one country to another. Ships have tall chimneys that puff out soft clouds of steam. They move slowly, but can travel very far. Here comes the yellow submarine. Submarines are super cool because they can dive way down and explore the deep ocean. Submarines have round windows to peek at fish, sea plants, and even colorful coral. Boats, ships, and submarines can be all colors and shapes. They help people travel, explore, and have fun in the water. Did you guess which vehicle goes deep under the water? It's the submarine. Submarines zoom and glide in the deep blue sea, where other vehicles can't go. AutoShorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.